Most beginners type git commit and get nothing to commit. That's because Git has a middle step most people skip. Git works in 3 zones. Your working directory, where you edit files, the staging area, also called the index, and the repository. Changes don't jump straight to the repo. You must stage them first. Think of it like packing a shipping box. You decide exactly what goes in before you seal and send it. To stage a file, run git add followed by the file name. For example, git add readme.md. This moves that file's changes into the staging area. You can list multiple files in one command, or stage everything in the current directory with git add dot. Staging and committing are intentionally separate steps. You might change 5 files but only want to commit 3 of them. Stage just those 3, run git commit, and the other 2 stay untouched in your working directory. This gives you precise control over what each commit contains. Git add has useful shortcuts. Git add dot stages all changes at once, and git add -p lets you stage individual chunks interactively. Perfect for splitting a big change into clean commits. After staging, run git status to see what's queued, or git diff -- stage to review the exact lines you're about to commit. Stage with git add, verify with git status, then commit. You control exactly what goes into every commit. Try it on your next change. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.